Sport and Movement, chapter number 16. MCQs number 1. Which of the following play major role in providing support to young herbaceous part of the plants? Option D is correct. A, B and C. Living cells of epidermis with higher target pressure, living cells of cortex, pith with higher target and collenchyma cells. Option D is correct. MCQs number 2. Higher target pressure in plant cell is maintained by option D, both B and C is correct. 3. The secondary cell wall of sclerenchyma is impregnated with lignin. Option C is correct. Among the following, which are longest supportive cell? Trachoids. Option A is correct. MCQs number 5. An increase in plant girth due to activity of is called secondary growth. Option D, both A and C. Cork cambium and vascular cambium is called secondary growth. MCQs number 6. Vascular cambium initially appears as actively divided cells between primary xylem and primary phloem. Option C is correct. MCQs number 7. Sperms of liverworts, mosses, forms move toward archegonia in response to nucleic acid released by ovum. This is example of chemotactic movement. Chemotactic. Option B is correct. MCQs number 8. The place of attachment of leaf with shoot is called pulvinus. Option C is correct. MCQs number 9. Rapid movement of leaves of mimosa on touching is example of turgor movement. MCQs number 10. Roots of plant show negative phototropism and positive geotropism. Option B is correct for roots of a plant. 11. MCQs number 11. Epinesty is controlled by auxins. Option C is correct. MCQs number 12. The gibberellins is an example of growth stimulator hormone. MCQs number 13. Which of the following animal has hydrostatic skeleton? Earthworms. MCQs number 13. Answer is A, earthworms. 14. In an inoid, the contraction of circular muscle is result in thinning of body. Option D is correct. Thinning of body. MCQs number 15. Which of the following statement is incorrect about molluscans? They move by tube feet. This statement is incorrect about molluscans. MCQs number 16. Which one of following form the bulk of exoskeleton of an arthropod? Procuticle. Option B is correct. MCQs number 17. The exoskeleton of marine stain is composed of CaCO3. Option B is correct. MCQs number 18. Which of the following statement about an arthropod exoskeleton is incorrect? It contains joints for same purpose as present in human skeleton system. Option B is correct. MCQs number 19. Ecdysone is hormone that regulate molting in arthropods. Option C is correct. MCQs number 20. Endoskeleton is secreted by mesoderm. Option C is correct. Mesoderm. MCQs number 21. Collagen fiber of bone are hardened by deposition of Ca and PO4. Option A is correct. MCQs number 22. Which of the following is avascular structure? Cartilage. Option C is correct. MCQs number 23. Which of the following bone is not present in hind limb? C. Radius is a correct option. MCQs number 24. How many bones are present in wrist? 8 bones. Option C is correct. Which of the following bones are present in the palm of a hand? Metacarpals. Option B is correct. MCQs number 26. How many vertebrae are present in vertebral column of man? 33 vertebrae. Option A is correct. MCQs number 27. How many vertebrae are present in coccyx? 4. Option D is correct. 4. MCQs number 28. How many vertebrae are present in neck or cervical region of man? 28. Correct option is A. 7. 29. How many vertebrae are present in thoracic region? 12. Option B is correct. 12. How many vertebrae are present in sacrum? 5. Option C.